Welcome to Cenex Live. I'm Kevin Meyer, Technical Product Representative with Cenex, and today we're talking about how to reduce forced regen hassles in your fleet. There's no such thing as a good time for downtime, especially when it's unexpected. And one issue many fleet drivers don't plan for is forced regens. Luckily, there are ways to reduce or avoid them from occurring. Let's talk about it. What is a forced regen? That's a great place to start. Diesel particulate filters, or DPFs, can be found on medium and heavy-duty trucks and are designed to reduce emissions by capturing soot before it enters the environment. Through regeneration, the soot on the filter is burned away using elevated temperatures generated through equipment operation. There are a few different types of regens, with a forced regen being the last resort to clean soot from the DPF. A forced regen can occur when enough soot builds up on the DPF to a point where the vehicle may no longer be operable. When the soot buildup on the DPF exceeds a certain threshold, a forced regen is needed to remove the soot from the DPF and keep equipment running smoothly. So what happens during a regen? When enough soot accumulates on the DPF, a regen is needed to clean the filter. A regen uses high temperatures to burn the soot and remove it completely from the DPF. A regen can happen a few different ways, with a forced regen being the last available option. Passive regeneration occurs when temperatures during equipment operation are hot enough to burn the soot without any changes needed. Active regeneration, on the other hand, occurs when the temperature during operation does not meet a minimum threshold. With active regens, the equipment will modify how it performs to increase the temperature so it can meet the minimum temperature requirement. If a passive or active regen cannot be performed, a forced regen must occur to keep the equipment operational. Forced regens will require the equipment to be parked while the soot is burned off the DPF, leading to unexpected downtime. So how can we reduce forced regens? Forced regens don't have to be a recurring problem. Using a premium diesel fuel like Cenex Roadmaster XL can reduce the need for DPF regeneration. With a robust additive package, Cenex Roadmaster XL provides a cleaner, more complete burn, which minimizes soot during combustion and leads to a cleaner DPF. Using a premium diesel fuel designed to meet the demands of today's engines can reduce the amount of soot that accumulates on the DPF, leading to a decreased number of regens. Thanks for joining me today. If you have more questions about reducing forced regens, drop your question in the comments section below. And to find your local Cenex dealer or learn more tips to optimize your operation, visit cenexperts.com.